Hey guys, just doing a quick little update video to let you know where we've been for the last few days. We, as you know, we have left Hobart, left Australia. We've come over to Vietnam in Hoi An. We took an 8-hour flight from Melbourne. It went really well. It was easy. We thought it was going to be crappy, but it wasn't. It was fine. So we arrived in Hoi An a few days ago. We stayed at this cool little place called the Oasis Riverside. It had a nice pool. It was pretty quiet. It was kind of close to town, a few k's out of town, but it was a nice little flat bicycle ride in. We got free bikes and a free motorbike, so that was cool. And yeah, since then we've come across over to this place called the Hoi An Corn Riverside Homestay. We've got a pretty good deal. We're paying only about $450 for the month, which gives us electricity, breakfast. We've got a pool. Got a big room with a nice bathroom and a balcony looking out over the river. So yeah, it's a pretty good deal that we've got. So pretty happy with that. We've spent a couple of days looking around Hoi An. We went to the night market last night and we got some food there. Had a look around, and today we went to Da Nang and we had a look around there as well. It's really hot. We're actually out there trying to find a motorcycle to buy, but it didn't work out, so we've come back to Hoi An. We'll probably get one here, I think. We've got one lined up for this afternoon, so we'll go and have a look at that and probably pick that one up. And yeah, we'll so just look at the boat in the background. It's pretty common to have those going backwards and forwards up the river here. Yeah, so we'll I'll put in a bit of video of the place that we're staying here, and yeah.